What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I've recorded this, my second attempt to record this because I always end up messing up these tutorials for some reason because I don't know where to start. So we're going to be using discord.js, Node, and we're also going to be using Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I have created a bot. It's called dadbot. So these are the commands. We have .shlong size. From there, we're going to be different commands like this. Taking a picture of your shlong, calculating size, and 155%, so I'm packing. But so what we're going to be basically doing is we're going to be writing a bot using JavaScript. We're going to be needing to create three different, two JSON files and two JS files. I'm not going to open the config file just because it kind of shows my bot's token, so anyone could control my bot with that. So I'm not actually going to show what's in here, but I'm going to actually have some of the source code for this in the description, so you guys do not have to type it out, but I highly recommend that you type it out. But the only thing is we're going to have for the source code is probably just going to be the config.json, package.json, and just like the basics for this, which is going to be the const discord name prefix token and then the client equals. So that's pretty much all we're going to have for that, but anyways, let's hop right into it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm at my desktop. It's very messy, just ignore that, that's not the point here. But what you're going to want to do is right click your desktop and we're going to create a new folder, and what we're going to be calling this is whatever you want your bot to be called. So I'm actually going to be calling this tutorial discord bot or just tutorial bot, and that's pretty much all we need to do right now. So just have that somewhere on your desktop. And then we're actually going to go into Visual Studio Code. We're going to go here, we're going to open a folder, we're going to go to our desktop, and you should see tutorial bot here. Just double click it and then select the folder. And then what you're going to want to do is we're going to have to insert some files here. So we're going to do whatever you want your bot to be called. So we're going to be calling ours tutorialbot.js. So we have created a new JavaScript file. We're also going to be doing config.json. So this is like our bot's configuration. And then we're going to be doing one more thing. I forgot what it's called. I'll just have to double check real quick. Right, package.json. Okay. So you should have these three folders. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your package, the first thing you're going to do is go to terminal here, run a new terminal, and then you're going to want to paste in, or you want to type in npm install discord.js. It's going to basically install discord.js into this folder, so the bot would actually work. If you do not do this, your bot will not work. Alright, so just press enter, and I think I might know what the problem is. Okay, so I think I know what the problem is. I was looking at the output log, and it says that there's an empty string. So I'm guessing, I'm not 100% sure what it means, but I'm guessing that it's because we don't have anything in here. So we actually need to put in the configurations and everything inside of here. So I'm going to have the source code, so you can just copy and paste it for the config and package. But all you're going to need to do is get your bot's token, and I'll show how to do that in just a minute here. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go into your config.json, and again, all the source code for this is going to be in the description. So you're going to want it to actually put this into your config.json. I'll just ignore that. Okay, so this is going to be your bot's name. We'll be using this later. There's really no use for it. You do not have to have it. But if you're going to be watching the entire series, I highly recommend that you put this inside there. And this is just basically the bot's prefix. So here's an example. It would be like .help if it's a period, or in my case, it's percentage help, like that. And this is going to be your bot's token. And then you're going to want to put. Okay, I'm going to have to blur that because I just linked my bot's token. So you're going to have to put in the discord.js, which is going to be one of the dependencies. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back here. Just paste it in. It will also be in the description. And then we're just going to go here. And all I'm going to do right now is just get this, all of this. And yes, this will be in the description. So we're going to go back here, and there we go. We're just going to go ahead and paste this in. So our bot right now, I'm just gonna say, well, so basically, when somebody, I'm just gonna remove this because we don't need this. Or actually, we're just gonna remove the part where it sends a message. So basically, when the bot goes online, it's gonna send a message to the console saying, "Bot successfully placed online." Okay, so what this basically does is just when the bot, when you run node tutorialbot.js or the name of your bot, it's basically just going to respond with bot successfully placed online. So I believe now, okay, so what we're going to do is do Control S on our keyboard. As you can see, that white dot's gone. That means it has saved the file, or it has saved the file. So what we're going to do is actually try, we're going to try now running npm install discord.js. And as you can see, now it is installing discord.js. And it has added our packages and modules and all of this. So, yep, we do have all of this here. We won't be messing with the package lock or the node modules. We'll only be using the config package and tutorialbot.js. But anyways, let's hop into how you actually get your bot token for the configuration. So let's hop right into it. Alright, so as you can see, we are now at the Discord developer portal, which is basically where you create new applications, or by application it means bot. So as you can see, we have dadbot here, and it has my application ID, which I'm also going to need to blur, because I'm going to be needing to blur so much in today's video, guys, and then probably this entire series, so I don't leak my bot token, so nobody can use my bot. So we're going to create a new application. I'm just going to be calling this tutorial bot. Call it whatever you want your bot to be. We're actually going to be adding an icon for your bot, and mine's actually just going to be this fat guy that I found on Google Images, because why not? So this is going to be my tutorial bot, and we're just going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to go to bot, add bot, yes, and so this is basically our bot's this is like his client ID, I believe. So as you can see, we have our bot here, and what we're going to do is go to OAuth 2. We're going to check bot, and we're going to give our bot administrator permissions, just for now, and then we're going to copy this. We're going to open a new tab, and you're going to need to be signed into Discord online, and as you can see, we're going to add it to our bot testing server. We're going to authorize access, just do the CAPTCHA, it shouldn't take too long. If we go to Discord here, tutorial bot should be in the server. As you can see, he's offline right now. But anyways, let's go ahead and get our bot's token. Alright, so we're going to actually head over to the bot tab. I searched up online how to find it, even though it was literally just right here. I did not see it. I'm blind or something. So I'm not going to press reveal token. You can. It's really useless. And also, if someone found out your token, you can just regenerate it and then replace the bot token. So you're going to go ahead and copy. I actually think I might do that so I don't have to blur. So we're going to go ahead and copy the token. We're going to head over to Visual Studio, and we're just going to paste it in like so and do Control S on our keyboard. So now if we head over to tutorialbot.js, or it doesn't matter, you can just stay in the config. We're going to run node tutorialbot.js. So when you press enter, the bot should go online. And in the console, it should actually show bot successfully placed online, but it didn't. Let's just check if the bot's online. Okay, it is not online. So I obviously did something wrong here, but the output, nothing's saying anything. I'm going to figure it out real quick. Okay guys, so the issue is that I didn't do at the very end. You need to do client.login token, and then we're just going to do that. So that is the one issue as to why. So we're going to go down to the terminal, Control C, up arrow, enter, and bot successfully placed online. So tutorial bot is now online, guys. So he's not offline, he's actually online. So that concludes the tutorial for now. And anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Part 2 will be posted in about an hour or so. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.